Let me ask you a question. If you're one of the owners of these two houses, is your insurance going to cover it, or is his insurance going to cover it? And are you going to get the runaround? So Bonita Bay is one of these neighborhoods that is unbelievable. They have everything. You could literally come in here, and other than going to Publix, you don't need to leave here. There's everything you could need inside of this neighborhood. It's about 3 miles by 3 miles. It's got a marina, it's got tennis courts, it's got its own workout center, it's got a little store. You got access to get out of here and go to the Gulf of Mexico down the Imperial River. It's just an amazing neighborhood. So you not only have one HOA in here, you have multiple HOAs. There's multiple golf courses, and there's high rises that overlook the Estero Bay, which overlooks Fort Myers Beach, and it is simply amazing. This is truly the lifestyles of the rich and famous. We're going to go check out this house. We're going to talk to Colton and see what happened with this house here. So basically, from what I heard, it caught on fire and it burned so bad. It's amazing that something that's inside the city limits like this is, and it's within, say, a mile of the fire department, has burned this much. So let's go talk to Colton and get the details. All right, Colton, so tell me what's going on with this one.
So apparently they had a fire. They weren't able to figure out what happened. They were doing a remodel, and he said they were almost done.
Almost done with the remodel?
Almost done with the remodel, just doing the final stuff, and then apparently it caught on fire and burned all the way to the ground, and also went and...
All the way, like literally down to the foundation?
All the way down to the foundation.
You've never seen anything like this in this area, right?
Not in the city, no. Typically you won't see that because the fire department will get here pretty quick and they'll put it out.
But if you're out in the country, that's pretty common because by the time the fire department gets to you, it's too late.
Yes, sir, absolutely. They don't know a lot of details about it. I mean, they know that it affected both houses on each side.
Yeah.
But as far as, what started it or, anything like that, they're not sure.
So how did it affect the other houses? So the fire was in this house, but how did it affect the other houses?
Yes, sir. So from what they said, one of them just had some melted siding, and then the other one, since it's all wood construction house, it got so hot that it smoldered basically the backing behind the vinyl, which caused the smoke to get into the other house. So it has extensive damage.
So it has smoke damage to the whole house, which a lot of houses, when there's a fire, a little fire, even in the kitchen, it ruins everything in the house because you get all that smoke in the whole house.
Yes, sir.
So is the New Holland working?
It's working for now.
It's working for now?
For now.
That's our problem child, isn't it?
Yeah, it tends to do that.
Now, would you recommend buying a New Holland skid steer?
I wouldn't personally.
Yeah. We bought that in a hurry after Hurricane Ian, and we've regretted it every day since. We have rebuilt that thing pretty much all the way.
Yes, sir.
Not all the way, but most of the way. It's cost us a freaking fortune. So you excited to get this one torn down?
Oh yeah, absolutely. Yeah, it'll be. Cool. It's really close to the other houses, so it should be an adventure.
So here we are, we got this house on the ground. Pretty much everything's hauled away. We're doing the last little itty bitty things. We got to connect the, we got to locate the sewer and cap it off. And then we need to clean up this little bit of stuff here. And we're done with this one. So this was a house that burned down and affected both of their neighbors. So it's Remove It Pro's Demolition. Hey, thanks for watching our videos, and we'll see you on the next video.